hands up. Very good. Arms sideward. Arms sideward. Good job. And arms down. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Are you having fun here at Kidzuna? Yes, of course. But before that, magpapakilala muna kami. By the way, my name is Ate Joby, your host for today. And together with my partners, Ate Angge. Okay, let's have a warm up. Everybody, raise your hand and shake it. Hands on your shoulder. Hands on your shoulder. Hands on your hips. And let's roll. Roll and sit down. Good job. Okay, so now, may itatanong mo si Ate Joby. Sino po mahilig dito sa bunny? Raise your hand. Bunny. Bunny. Very good. Dahil dyan, ang ating activity for today ay Bouncy Bunny. Wow! As you can see, we have a material here. So, Ate Angge, what is that? We have 2 cups. The first cup is plain and the second cup is free cat. Okay. Ayan, kita nyo meron siyang free cat on the upper lip of the cup. And then, we have a sticker, a bunny sticker. Wow! And of course, we have, what is this, kids? Rubber band. Good job. Okay, so now, Ate Angge, we're going to start. So first, we have a free cat cups, and then a bunny sticker. All you have to do is to design your free cat cups, okay? So you need to design, yan, sticker lang yan kids ha, one at a time. You have to attach the bunny sticker on the free cat cups, one at a time. Okay, so what is the finished product, Ate Angge? Wow! And don't forget the Kidzuna at the back. And then, after that, the rubber band naman. So, i-attach natin yung rubber band doon sa nakakat sa free cat cups. Ayan, attach natin. And then, i-cross natin. Cross. And then, i-attach natin doon sa kabila namang free cat. Ayan. To make sure na nakakross yung ating rubber band. So, pakita mo ating Angge na nakakross. Did you see it, kids? Yes, of course. And of course, dahil bouncy bunny siya, paano natin siya magiging bouncy bunny, okay? So, i-push down natin siya dun sa cup. Push down. And then, push down natin siya. And then, release it. Wow! One more time, one more time, one more time. Sit down, one more time. Then, push down and release it. Wow! Amazing! Okay, kids, excited na ba kayo gumawa ng inyong bouncy bunny? Yes, of course! Everybody, stand up and take your seat there. So, everybody hands up and arms on your lap. On your lap. Okay, very good. We will start together. So, Ate Angge, bigyan natin sila ng one by one na material. So, for the parents in Gordian, you can guide your kids here. And this is the best way na rin po to have a multiple bonding na rin po with your kids. Ayan. Pwede po natin lapitan yung ating mga kids dito sa event area to guide them. Ayan, lahat po ng kids meron ng materials. Okay, everybody, let's start! Ating mga mommy for today. Good job, kids. One at a time, ilalagay natin yung sticker. First, yung ears ng bunny. Yung ears ng bunny. Good job, ate. Good job. Yes. Eyes. Where's the eyes? Eyes. Very good. Ayan. Yung eyes naman ng kids, ilalagay naman natin. Ayan. Good job! Wow! Very good! Okay. Okay, so now, narinig na po ba natin yung ating ears, eyes, and nose? Okay. Good job! Yung rubber band naman to. So first, ito po sa free cat cups. Ayan. At yung ganyan kita mo. Ayan. So ilalagay natin. And then ito close po natin. Close po. Ayan. Sa kabila. Ayun! Okay. So, sino ka? Okay. So, ayan kids, kahit na po matapos na, itantay natin. Sabay natin i-try. Okay. So before What does the Easter Bunny bring? Eggs. Good job. And what is the name of the character that brings Easter eggs and feed the kids? Easter Bunny. Good job. And I have one more. Which month do we celebrate Easter? Which month? Which month? Sunday. Alright. That is day of the week. And of course, the month is April. Good job, Kuya. Okay, everybody. Tapos na po ba? Yes, of course. And let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try. Alright, one more time. Let's try. First, you have to push. Push and release. Wow! Good job. One more time. Push and release. Wow! Good job. Okay, kids. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating activity for today? Yes, of course. Everybody stand up. We were having a group picture. Come on, kids. Everybody stand up here at the front again. We were having a group picture. And of course, show your art. Show your art. Everybody sit down here on the carpet again. And to all the parents and guardians, dito po tayo sa harap to take pictures or video of your kids. Everybody sit down. Sit down. Okay. So now, we're gonna practice the Kidzuna Hooray. When I shout Kidzuna, you will shout Hooray. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! One more time. This is the actual to all the parents and guardians. Ready your camera. Kids, look at the camera. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Hooray! One more time. This is the final. Ready? Let's shout louder hooray. In 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Hooray! Wow! Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa inyong bouncy bunny? Yes, of course! And I have a question, kids. Gusto niyo po bang mag-birthday dito sa Kidzuna? Yes, of course! And to all the parents and guardians, if you want to celebrate your kid's birthday party here at Kidzuna, we have a birthday package that you can choose from just as one of our friendly partners, and we were happy to assist you. And kids, it's time to say goodbye! Bye, everyone! You can bring it home. See you at 10. Thank you so much. You can bring it home, kids. See you. Bye!